Every year, the planet loses 13 billion trees and regains less than half of that. We started Flash Forest with the goal of healing the planet's lungs and taking that job seriously. Until that job is done well, no other job really matters.
Timber companies are improving their technology year over year. They're lean, they're efficient, they use advanced all-terrain vehicles, artificial intelligence, and even autonomous logging trucks.
Okay, so we're really good at cutting down trees, but how are we at planting them?
Well, by and large, the technology is essentially this.
Our company, Flash Forest, uses drones, aerial mapping technology, automation, and ecological science to plant trees at a rate that until now hasn't been possible. Thanks.
This drone can plant as fast as 10 people. And just one of our pilots can control 10 of these drones. That's the pace we're going to need to fight climate change.
Check out these pods. Inside each one of these are 3 pre-germinated tree seeds, a unique blend of acid to help them sprout faster, and enough nutrients to sustain them for 9 months. And not only that, forests are complex, and every species counts. No longer will reforestation focus only on a handful of trees. We choose plants that support full ecosystem recovery.